Hello everyone. Today we are going to set up our floor plans for our bedroom design project on Autodesk Homestyler. At this point, all of you should have created your account and should be logged on. The first thing that you want to do is locate your two toolbars. There's one across the top and there's one along the left side of your screen. The first one we're going to start with is up at the top of your screen, and I'd like you to click on this shape right here. This is going to set up our basic square of our bedroom, and you're going to click on the square. So it kind of shows you a couple of different shapes when you're creating a room. We are going to start with the square. So by clicking on that, you will drag it over and you're just going to drop it. So by clicking down, it will drop the square, and it defaults by setting your square up a 13-foot by 1-inch square. Looking at your worksheet, you should see that this wall and this wall should be 14.5 feet. I'm going to show you how to change that. There's two ways. The first way is if you click on the opposing wall and you drag it out to the dimension, you can see that it will take you there. If you're having a little trouble, I know the Chromebooks can be a little bit glitchy. Say you're stuck on 14.9. If you actually click on that, you can type in 14 feet 6 inches and hit enter, and it will adjust it accordingly. Once you've got that, you can double check by looking at both walls, 14.5, and you're good to go. Our wall that is adjacent to it is 12 feet. So again, we're going to pull on that opposite wall, pulling it into 12 feet and dropping it right there. Again, you can change the dimensions on that as well. One of the cool features is this little guy right here. You can click on him and drag him. I'm going to put him in the corner to kind of show you the purpose of it. Basically what it does, if you look in the top right-hand corner over here, it shows you your room three-dimensionally. Now, it doesn't look like much because we haven't put anything into it, but once you get your bedding and your furniture pieces in there, you'll be able to kind of see all of that. You can drag the corner and make it as big or as little as you want to get it out of your way. You can also click up here in the top right-hand corner on these 4 arrows, and it's going to actually allow you to enter the room three-dimensionally, and you can use your keypad, your arrows, to kind of move about. You can also click and drag and look up and down and all sorts of fun stuff like that. Again, we haven't done any designing just yet, so we're just kind of getting the bare bones set up. To get out of that mode, you click again on those 4 arrows, and then you can see your floor plan two-dimensionally, okay? You'll also notice in the middle, kind of a nice feature, it tells you that it's 174 square feet. That is the correct number, so that also means you put in your walls correctly. The next thing you're going to do is we're going to add in our door. In this demonstration, I'm not going to go through all of the ways you can put in the furniture. That will be in one of the next upcoming demonstrations, but I am going to show you how to put in the door. So if you utilize your other toolbar, this is where we put in our furniture. You can use the catalog for that. We do any of our wallpaper and painting or anything like that. And then this shovel right here, this helps you with your building. So if you click on that, you're going to see a couple of options. Anything from crown moldings to windows to railings to staircases. But we're going to focus on the doors right here. So go ahead and click on doors. Once you are there, you're going to kind of scroll through and find a basic bedroom door. Again, ours was approximately 3 feet 2 inches on the floor plan. So I'm going to click on this basic white one, looks good. And I'm going to drag it over. Now, placement is important. On our floor plan, it says that it's 1 foot away from that 12-foot wall, and it swings outward. So this one actually is perfect. I'm going to click and place it down here. You can double click on that or just click on it once. And again, it will show you those dimensions so you can double check. I did get this 1 foot away from that wall. However, you can slide it over and kind of just double check that you got that right. Okay. Once you have that, I will just show you, you do have the capability of flipping the door inward if yours defaults to inward and our floor plan shows it going outward. So you can flip it by doing just that. Again, this was just a basic tutorial on how to show you how to flip or to start your floor plan. We'll be furnishing the floor plans in the upcoming demonstrations.